Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix a Chromebook that won't turn on. So guys, to resolve this problem, just you have to follow these easy steps. You can try this method. It will work for some users. So you can try it. Just here guys, in this top key bar or key lines, you need to find out refresh key. I'm using Dell laptop and Windows laptop, so I don't have that key. But in Chromebook, in this top line, you will see one refresh key. So press together refresh and power button. This is the first power button. So for 10 seconds, press and hold refresh key and power button together. Press and hold about 10 seconds, and if you not succeed in first time, so out your charger and again plug in, then again try, press power button and refresh key together for 10 to 15 seconds. So this is the simple and easy way to turn on and to fix your Chromebook not turning on. Thanks for watching, and guys, please comment this method work for you or not.